Hey guys, it's Adrienne. In my part 1 video, I showed you how to make money by giving away a free resource. And in part 2, I showed you how to make money with a $25 business. Now, if you found those videos useful, I ask that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm going to cover what you need to do in order to prepare to advertise your business. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is visit the link below this video and get the Freedom Launchpad. When you click this button, you'll see that it's only a one-time payment of $27. If you do not have your own email swipes, I highly recommend that you get the Ultimate Email and Traffic Swipe file and add it to your order, because we're going to be using these emails in one of my traffic strategies. So when you check the box to add it, your one-time spend is going to be $44. And if you don't want them, then uncheck the box. Next, log into the Home Business Academy and go to the affiliate zone. If you have not done so, sign up for the affiliate program right here. You don't have to apply to become an affiliate, and you don't have to pay to become an affiliate like some of those other companies. Next, you should watch the very first video. Okay, so you're going to meet the founders of the company, and they're going to tell you how to get paid and not miss out on any of your commissions. Video number 2 is going to give you a quick launch strategy. Mike shares his screen to show you how to make your first sale as quickly as possible without even setting up anything. He even shows you which page is converting the most, so that's going to remove a lot of the guesswork for you. And video number 3 shows you how to set up your sales funnel. And video number 4 shows you how to get traffic to your pages. Now, these last 2 videos is where you're going to want to spend some time. So pause the video, jot down some notes, and then implement what they are teaching you. These videos are hands-on, and they show you how to put money in your pocket right away. Okay, so if you have the Freedom Launchpad, then let's go back up to the top and click the Freedom Launchpad button to get into the course. This video is going to give you the formula you can use to run any business in only just 30 minutes a day. And actually, it teaches you the skill set that you need to make any business profitable. If you purchase the Ultimate Email Swipes for $17, you can click this link that says Ultimate Email Swipe Training, and it'll take you into the training. Right here is the link to all the emails. And here's a video that shows you how to get everything set up. Now, when you're done, just go to the next module. On this page, you're going to be given the perfect ads that actually convert your leads into sales. Nick will be showing you how to not waste time and money on ads that don't even convert. He tells you where to go to find these people and look at what is actually working. And finally, this is where you can grab 50 done for you emails that you can load into your autoresponder. HBA integrates seamlessly with GetResponse, and there's a link below this video if you need an autoresponder. But you can use just about any autoresponder that you may already have. Now, in my next video, I'm going to show you one of the advertising resources that I use to make easy sales, and you don't even need an autoresponder at all. And you won't even need to set up a sales funnel. However, you will need some email swipes, and it's only going to take a few minutes a day to complete. So be on the lookout for my next video. In the meantime, you have plenty of work to keep you busy for the next few days. All right, I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.